Hello, now I'm going to talk about another AI image generating tool that is Looka. This AI generating tool usually used for startup or small business. It can also be used by freelancer or e-commerce store management. Like in e-commerce store, product can be listing, social media advertisement can be done, and marketing materials can be published. So this is the interface of this tool. This is the mainly for the logo maker. We can easily make any logo, and with any design, any with any prompt I can use this logo maker, and it is very easy. Like any beginner can use creating a logo. Just type the prompt, then you can make the logo. And logo make can be changed, like with color or fonts or layouts can be enhanced or changed according to the criteria. And it can also be these logo makers can also deliver as a like they can download it as a vector. And it have some features like hey, high resolutions, vector files, color variation, and it can be used for business card design, social media templates, brand information, and some lifetime logo support and royalty free logos. That is, we can use this downloaded logo files for any commercial. We do not have any the royalty issue, and easily it can be used. And suppose you can use this of template, pre-built template for logo design. And you can use these and to frequently ask question that to make a logo with Loka, start by entering your company name and address, then select logo styles, colors, symbols for inspirations. Like if I have to make a logo of any company, for example, I have to go to this create a logo for free. So first we have to make choose the country options. So I can have login with Google. And these are the brand kit options. This is how it works. It will show the detailed information how it actually works with this AI tool, and what are the logo ideas, and what are the blog you can also read from this platform to check this format. And like how much does logo design cost in 2025, logo design logo. You can actually make idea what types of logo actually developers can create. And also they can use this for their work. And if you want to make a logo, then you can just like it's a non-profit, just support, let's make a logo. But location, you have to mention the logo. Luca is not currently available in your country. So I'm in the Southeast Asia. Maybe this AI tool is not cannot support my country, but from your country you can also use this tool. Thank you.